The topic of learning from mistakes explores how we can use our own mistakes as tools to train the brain and make better decisions. This process is similar to neural network learning algorithms, where errors adjust neural weights, guiding the model towards an optimal result. The human brain can also adapt through error analysis, developing mental flexibility and resilience. 1. Mistakes as valuable experience. Mistakes are often seen as failures, but they can be considered data for improvement. When we make mistakes, the brain receives a signal that its model was not ideal. Like a neural network that adjusts its weights based on error, our brain can review and refine its approaches and strategies. 2. Analyzing causes and consequences. To learn from mistakes, it's essential to conduct an analysis of causes and consequences. This process involves 3 key steps. What exactly happened? Defining the specific mistake. Why did it happen? Identifying the causes and factors that led to the mistake. What can I do differently next time? Seeking alternative solutions and strategies. This process resembles backpropagation in neural networks, where an error moves through the model's layers, influencing weight adjustments. 3. Reinforcing a new approach. The brain requires time and repetition to solidify a new approach. Once a decision is made to change the strategy after a mistake, it's important to practice it repeatedly to strengthen new neural pathways. Gradually reinforcing this new behavior helps prevent repeated mistakes and enables adaptation. 4. Emotional management and acceptance of mistakes. Unlike AI, humans experience emotions, and mistakes often bring feelings of guilt or disappointment, making analysis difficult. It's crucial to develop emotional acceptance of mistakes, understanding that they are a natural part of learning. Mindfulness and emotional regulation help detach from negative emotions, allowing for a calm analysis and the extraction of lessons learned. 5. Training mental flexibility. Every mistake is an opportunity to look at the situation from a new perspective, developing mental flexibility. This helps our mental algorithm expand its understanding of possible solutions. The ability to adapt and find new approaches based on past experience enhances creativity and reduces the likelihood of repeating mistakes. Sample exercise. Learning from mistakes. 1. Identify the mistake. Choose a recent mistake you would like to analyze. 2. Analyze the causes. Reflect on what led to the mistake, considering relevant factors and circumstances. 3. Seek alternatives. Determine what could have been done differently to avoid the mistake. Reinforce your conclusion. Develop a plan for how you'll apply this new solution in the future and think about how to strengthen this behavior. Conclusion. Learning from mistakes helps the brain become more resilient, flexible, and ready for new challenges.